More recipes! That's what I keep hearing from you that you want more of. And so I delivered. I write a blog every single Tuesday and I email it out to everybody on my list, but I want to make sure that you are catching it. So I'm going to share it here with you as well. And then be sure once you do head over there, sign up for one of my emails so that you get to hear all about it. This week's blog is a really easy one. I always tell you to create a diet with healthy whole foods and make sure you get your healthy fats and all your vitamins and minerals and nutrients. And so I want to make it really easy by giving you healthy recipes to do that. And so in this week on the blog post, we have a super simple recipe for grilled salmon, and it's going to be yummy, easy, and everybody should love it in your family. I hope that you go head over, give it a try, and then be sure to let me know. It's recipes like this that are keeping things really simple. It's keeping things easy on your time, your schedule. You don't have to be a fancy chef to create healthy meals for your family. It can be really easy, and so I want to show you how. So click on over, read this week's blog, and they'll give you the ingredients, the directions, and you can hit the grocery store and prepare up a healthy meal for your family. See you there. Bye.